Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix slow Android in Moto G75. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on storage. And now here you can check your storage and then click on free up space. On top left corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on clean. Now here you can clean up your storage. After clean up your storage, then go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system. In system you can see the option performance. Now click on it. And first of all, install the smart app launch button on. After turning this button on, then click on RAM boost. Now here you can extend your memory to 6GB, 8GB and 12GB. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.